Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw and color the hands applying the nail paint. So let's get begin. First I draw the hand. With the big nails. Now I draw the bracelets on the wrist. Then I draw the heart-shaped ring. Then I draw the brush of the nail paint. Now I'm drawing the nail paint. I draw the two cute eyes and a smiley mouth. Now friends, it's time to color the hands and the nail paint together. I color the hands with peach.
Pink.
I love to apply nail polish. Do you?
Purple. Blue. Orange. Yellow.
Goodbye.
Now friends, it's time to color the bracelet. I color the bracelet with multicolors. Now friends, let's come and color the nails with dark pink. I color the nail paint bottle and the brush with rainbow colors. First, I take dark pink. Then I take light blue. I take dark green here.
Red.
Now I'm using peach. Now I take dark blue. Light pink. Lastly, I take yellow. I color the cap with purple.
Yellow.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
I take light green here.
The mouse ran out. Hickory dickory dock.
Now I'm using light blue. Lastly, I color with gray.
Green.
The bird looked at the
Awesome! Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.